India's robust rail network supplies coal to power plants. But has the supply chain taken a big hit? Is this a case of mismanagement? Where is all the coal headed to?
Now, coal accounts for a commanding 56% of electricity generation in the country. Power from water sources is around 34.5%. Oil and gas contributes to 8% of electricity generation, and nuclear electricity is just a blip on the radar with 1.7%.
Indian government is denying that there is a shortage of coal supply to power plants in the country.
जितनी आवश्यकता है उतनी आपूर्ति होती रहेगी। मैंने पूछा कि ये पैनिक क्यों? तो यह पैनिक इसलिए हुआ बिना आधार के।
But states are raising a hue and cry.
कोयले का जो स्टॉक है किसी भी पावर प्लांट में कम से कम किसी भी हालत में 15 दिन से कम का नहीं होना चाहिए। वैसे तो 20 से 30 दिन का स्टॉक होना चाहिए। ज़्यादातर प्लांट्स में 1 से 2 दिन 3 दिन का स्टॉक बचा है। और एनटीपीसी जो देश में सबसे ज़्यादा बिजली बनाती है केंद्र सरकार को उपक्रम में है, आज उसने ज़्यादातर प्लांट सारे ही प्लांट 55% पे कर दी है कैपेसिटी। जितना उनकी टोटल कैपेसिटी है उसका 55% पे 50% पे वो चला रहे हैं।
Let's decode some of the significant charges made and see if it's a cause of concern or mere grandstanding. Heavy rains in coal-producing states have probably led to supply chains being affected. This has further led to depletion of stocks at power plants. COVID led to new challenges in almost all industries. Planners were probably expecting a third wave and didn't shore up their supplies, and now they're caught with shortage problems. Increase in global coal prices and freight costs have led to a curtailment in power production by plants using imported coal, adding to the pressure on utilities using domestically mined coal to ramp up output. India's industrial power demand has surged after the second coronavirus pandemic wave. Industries that were shut for a long period worked overtime to cover the lost earnings. There is an over-reliance on coal-based electricity, and the transition to renewable sources is slow. India has power generation capacity of around 3.88 lakh megawatts, but power consumption is only around 2 lakh megawatt, which suggests that capacity is enough, but the issue is of supply.
कोविड की थर्ड वेव जिसके बारे में कहा जा रहा था कि वो जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर कभी भी आ सकती है, उसके कारण लोगों को लगा होगा कि डिमांड पहले के मुकाबले कम रहेगी, और यही जो असेसमेंट में मिस्टेक है या चूक है उसके कारण आज आपको पावर प्लांट में कोयले का स्टॉक कम दिख रहा है, जबकि CIL के पास, कोल इंडिया के पास स्टॉक है।
Do not worry, the problem is not with your screen. These are some of scenes of outages from across India and the globe. Shortage of supply and rising prices of international coal has led to a massive challenge for economies like India that sustain on coal. International pressure is piling on developing economies like India and China to switch from coal to clean energies. The global climate change summits are insisting on commitments, but the coal and oil guzzling economy giants are unwilling, as a backup plan is yet to be put into action.
Crucially, active transition to clean energy is the need of the hour, and action plan on making renewable energy the main source of energy is paramount.